Good morning, YouTube. Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning, Suwanee, Georgia today. This is a repeat customer we're doing. We're actually doing this house now because they're moving into this rental. Then we're moving in, then we're going to be cleaning the house they're selling next week. So it's a double dipper kind of deal. This carpet is in really good shape. It's kind of a short shag, tall pile carpet. Carpet's all, and I didn't see any spots in the initial walkthrough. There are basically 4 bedrooms, stairs, hall. As you can see, it's been recently vacuumed, all the vacuum patterns there. There's not much to see really. And we got a nice sized master closet in here. And like I said, the carpet's in good shape, but repeat customers like having their carpets fresh when they move in. That way everything's fresh for them. Most common time to get carpets cleaned are for new move-ins or move-outs. Again, this is a kind of a fun thing where it's a double dipper. So we got this one, which is four bedrooms. Hallways 5, stairs is 6.5 flight of stairs, which is 6.5. So like I said, nothing to see here really. Should be a quick, easy job. We'll shoot a video afterwards just so you can see it, but there won't be much to see. So stay tuned. All right, guys, as you can see, it's 9:56. We just finished up this 9 o'clock job. It's $240. What we did is 4 bedrooms. The hall, the stairs, there's a half flight of stairs because it's split. Deodorizer, sanitizer, times the 7 areas, no charge for that. And then discounts, we gave them 5 off per area, plus the free set of half flight of stairs because it's only, $22 or whatever, $22.50. I'll run you through. There's nothing to see really. But I'll shoot the after video here. You'll see. And the only thing you really see is how the vacuum marks are different because we don't vacuum the same way that traditional people vacuum with all the half marks. You can see there's long links there versus a little half. There's 3 sets of lines. So there's the 2 bedrooms, the half bath. And then the other secondary bedroom, which is pretty big. And then of course we got the large master. Again, the only thing really to see is the vacuum lines are different from what they were before we got here. And same thing with the master closet. It does smell a whole lot different because of the disinfectant deodorizer that we use, which obviously you can't smell in the video. But like I said, this is a repeat customer. They got a dog that has issues every once in a while, which they call us to do. Got the fans on high to help with the drying. They're moving in, I think they said tomorrow. But it should be good and dry. See, it's 10 o'clock by, 11:30 to 12. Obviously it was dry enough for us to vacuum it. So we, got the vacuuming done, it's all set. So again, this is it's Friday, March the 23rd. I believe it's the 23rd. Have to check my calendar. Yeah, the 23rd, we got another job. $305 job later this afternoon at 2 o'clock. So that's it for this one. Again, thanks for watching. There weren't any spots in this particular home, but as you hopefully have picked up on from our previous videos, there's no upsells, no per spot fees. Everything is included with the cleaning. Spots, no trip charge, no fuel charge. More importantly, there's no sticky residue. It dries very quickly, so the carpets and the pad are not saturated. But as you can see, they come out very well. There are business opportunities available nationwide. You can reach us at 404-500-9853 or online at omgfloorcare.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. keep it up. Have a great weekend. Be kind to one another, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.